Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Mishkaya. Today I have a quick update video to share with you guys about my experience being on YouTube. So no, it's not a cooking video today. I know I've been doing a lot of cooking videos, but to be honest, my channel is not limited to just cooking. It's just that I really love to cook and it just happens that way. But I do want to do other types of videos, like, you know, getting ready with me if I'm going out, like show you how I do my makeup, organizing my apartment, stuff like that. I want to do more videos of that. But what I should say about my cooking videos is that I've been getting a lot of comments from my family behind the scenes and friends who watch my video that I don't include measurements. But I've never really cooked using measurements. I just eyeball stuff and it works out for me. And I take it for granted that, you know, if you know what I'm putting in there, if I say, okay, I'm using this or that, like, you know, you just know. But like, no, people really want to see how much of what I put into stuff. So I'm gonna make a conscious effort to include my measurements. So I'll definitely get better at that. Moving forward, what can I say about my experience being on YouTube? Like, I will say it's hard work. It really is, because you know, you have to take the time out to film the videos, then you have to edit, and there's a lot of stuff that goes on behind the scene. Lucky for me, I have somebody who helps me out with editing, because I don't know the first thing about doing all of that. So yeah, that has been great for me. I do want to learn how to edit videos and stuff, just in case my cameraman decides to bail on me one day, because you know, making videos and uploading them to YouTube is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. It's not like something that I say, oh, I want to make like tons of money from YouTube or anything like that. I just genuinely want to do it. Like, it's just for the love of it why I'm doing it, or else I would have stopped a long time ago, because I'm not making any money from this. But yeah, I like doing videos, and you know, it's a skill to know how to edit videos, because you know, you could branch out and do other stuff when you learn things like that. So yeah, I definitely want to learn how to do that. I must say I'm getting better at being more comfortable in front of the camera. Oh my god, like when I first started out, it was like I used to do so many takes just to say, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Like, it used to take me forever, and it's just literally two of us here most of the time when I'm filming, and it used to take forever, because like staring into the camera, like in my head I feel like I'm seeing all the people that could possibly watch my video standing in front of me, and it freaked me out. But like, I pushed through it, and I'm getting better at it. So yeah, that's one thing that I know I've improved in. Another area I feel like I should improve is like being more direct and talkative during my video. Like, I could explain a lot more what I'm doing and stuff like that. You know, just have a more interactive videos, like when I'm cooking. Like, I could show more of my personality. But like, you know, if you could go back to my first video, I took so long to start YouTube because I was afraid of judgment. And I'm like, okay, and I want to do so many more different types of video. That's why I call my channel All Things Mishkaya, because I didn't want to be limited to doing just a specific type of video. But if you look at my channel, you realize that I do more cooking than anything else, because in my mind I could cop out talking too much if I'm just cooking, because what, I'm showing you the ingredients, I'm showing you what I do, and I don't have to say anything. But yeah, I could definitely talk so much more in the video to make it more, you know, fun, because I'm a fun person. I just don't think it translates a lot to the camera, because I judge myself so hard. Yeah, so I'm working on not doing all that judging. I'm just gonna do my videos and just put them there and just let them do what they do. People will watch, people will not watch, but I'm still getting things out there like I initially planned to. I want to focus on growing my channel. Like, I don't try to get obsessed with how many people are watching my videos and stuff like that, because that will put like pressure on you, and if you look at that, you'll probably be discouraged and just stop filming because you feel like, oh, people are not watching. Like, if you really enjoy what you're doing, you'll be fine. You know, I'll be fine. I'll just keep working at it, and eventually I'll get my subscribers up. I have 72 subscribers so far, and it's mostly friends and family and people that I know, and I'm so grateful for them, and they make it a point of duty to watch my videos. So I know I have, you know, my family and friends support, so I'm so appreciative of that. But I do want other people to see my videos and, you know, try my recipes and let me know and say, oh, I tried a recipe, it was good or it wasn't good, or, you know, this is what I would have changed, or, you know, I do it this way. Like, I want to have that type of interactive experience with people who watch my videos. Like, I would definitely be engaging in that, you know, manner. So yeah, that's basically the reason for me wanting to like grow my channel so it can reach, you know, a lot more people than it is right now. Because, you know, the way YouTube is set up, like, subscribers, the amount of subscribers you have kind of push your video forward to be seen by like people who didn't have access to it before. So now I'm just a little niche that nobody knows about but my friends and family. So yeah, I definitely want to do better in that area. Yeah, and moving forward, you know, I love my cooking videos. I'm never ever going to stop doing those, but I want to incorporate a lot more healthy meals, because my bread pudding video, you can hear my friends in the background say I make unhealthy food. Just a disclaimer, I do not eat like that every single day. You know, these are meals that I prepare now and again, like, you know, so it's not like I'm getting up and eating bread pudding every day or cakes, or I really don't eat that bad, but I'm definitely gonna incorporate more healthier foods. I make a mean salad, so I'll definitely do a variety of different salads and, you know, smoothies and stuff like that. I'm gonna definitely get into more healthier versions of the food that I've been making. So that's one thing I want to do moving forward. And also, if you watch my videos and you feel like there's something that I could do differently, or a video that you'd be interested in watching, you could just leave a comment, or you could give me a call, because for now it's most the friends and family that are watching. Like, send me a text message or something like, why don't you do a video doing this? Like, I think people would be interested in this. Like, you know, give me ideas about videos, because for now all that I'm doing is really like, you know, passion projects, should I say. It's like things that I like or enjoy doing, but like, I'm definitely open-minded. There's other things that I could do. So yeah, leave me a comment and say something, you know, a video, give me a suggestion on the types of videos that you would like to see me do moving forward. But overall, my experience on YouTube has not been bad. I don't, you know, I don't get a lot of views, but I'm fine with that. Like, my channel will grow in time. So yeah, definitely that's basically the stuff that I wanted to talk about. I don't know if I left anything out, but you know, I'll do updates from time to time as I go forward with my channel, just to, you know, see, you know, where I'm coming from. I've been on YouTube now for like 5 months and I have 72 subscribers, and I am proud of having all 72. And what I noticed is, like, I could have I feel like I could have had more subscribers if I constantly made and upload a video every week. You know, like, consistency is key. And you know, at the beginning of the year, it was a little bit rocky for me, going through, like, you know, personal things behind the scenes, so I was demotivated in filming my videos. But then I was like, I'm not gonna let whatever it is that I was going through stop me from doing something that I'm passionate about and something that I really enjoy doing. Because, like, you know, cooking, you know, it relaxes me. And you know, I always, like, when I'm doing my videos, I always have somebody over that will try my meal, and my friends, they will say, nah girl, this is a hit and a miss, or they'll tell me if it just doesn't taste good. So if you see us in the video saying it tastes good, it's because I've gotten thumbs up behind the scenes. It's not that I'm just saying, oh my god, everything I make tastes good. So, and I try to do recipes that I know will hit, especially with my very picky friends. So yeah, so I plan to be a little bit more, not a little bit, I plan to be a lot more consistent with getting a video out every week. Hint hint, my cameraman slash editing guy, it's all on him. I always have videos in the bank. He just refuses to do it until he's ready. See why I need to learn how to edit videos? Yeah. So he's to be blamed. I refuse to take blame for that. But anyways, I want to be more consistent moving forward about filming. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you sat through my rambling and all of that, and you actually get something from what I'm saying. So, and there you have it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Help a sister videos out by sharing it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my Instagram page. It's allthings_Mishkaya. Is that it? On Instagram. Oh, and I need to be more active there too. I'd be lazy about posting. But that's basically what I wanted to talk about. I hope you guys made it to the end of this video. I definitely love you guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back next week with another cooking video. Or will I be cleaning my apartment?